Student loans, that mountain of debt, those seemingly never-ending payments, we've all been there. But what if I told you there's more to the story? What if the system itself has some hidden truths they don't exactly advertise? Let's take a trip back in time. Before the Education Reform Act of 2010, student loans were primarily the domain of private lenders. This meant interest rates that could make your head spin, making college an even more daunting financial mountain to climb. So, why the shift to federal loans? The government saw a way to invest in the future workforce, a generation of skilled professionals ready to contribute to the economy. But there was a flip side. This move also inadvertently created a system that subtly pushed college as the only path to success. High schools, often pressured by funding and performance metrics, started emphasizing college applications over alternative avenues. The impact was inevitable. A generation saddled with debt, often woefully unprepared for the financial realities of adulthood. Imagine graduating with a degree in English literature, but clueless about interest rates, budgeting, or managing debt. This lack of financial literacy creates a recipe for student loan shock, that gut-wrenching moment when the enormity of your loan payments hits you like a ton of bricks. So, why isn't financial literacy a priority in our schools? The reasons are complex. Often, packed curriculums leave little room for anything beyond core subjects. Also, some financial institutions might benefit from a financially naive population, one more susceptible to high-interest loans and impulse credit card spending. But don't worry, here's what you can do. Before you even think about signing up for student loans, exhaust all scholarship and grant opportunities. There's a whole world of free money out there waiting to be claimed, free money that won't leave you with a lifetime of debt. Imagine you're standing at a car dealership, super excited about your brand new ride. But before you zoom off, the salesperson hits you with a stack of paperwork thicker than your favorite fantasy novel. That's kind of what signing up for student loans can feel like: information overload. Here's the thing, though. Unlike car features, leather seats, who needs them? Understanding loan terms is important. Let's break it down. First, there's the loan family drama. There are two main types: federal and private. Federal loans are like the cool aunt who gives you money with decent interest rates and sweet benefits like income-based repayment plans. We'll get to those later. Private loans, on the other hand, are more like a distant uncle with a loan shark reputation, potentially lower rates initially, but with stricter terms and higher risks. Then there's the whole interest rate situation. Fixed rates are like your reliable friend. They stay the same the entire loan term. Variable rates are more like that friend who constantly changes their mind. They can fluctuate based on the market, which can be good or bad news depending on the economic climate. Finally, there are repayment plans, which basically determine how you'll pay back your loan after graduation. Standard repayment is like a steady jog, fixed monthly payments over a set term. Income-driven repayment plans are more like a personalized workout. Your payments adjust based on your income, making them more manageable if your career is just starting out. It may seem like a lot to take in, but trust us, understanding these terms is like having a cheat sheet for navigating student loans. You'll be able to choose the loan that best fits your needs and avoid any nasty surprises down the road. Plus, being informed makes you feel empowered, and that's way cooler than getting stuck with a loan that leaves you feeling financially flat on your tires. But there's a secret most people don't know. College isn't the only path to success. What if you were planning a road trip across the country and you pore over maps, highlight scenic routes, and budget for gas? But what if you discovered a hidden highway, a faster, cheaper route that gets you to stunning destinations just as well? That's the hidden secret about college. It's not the only path to success. We are talking about trade schools, the ultimate detour for those who want to skip the 4-year college grind and land a fulfilling career. They are like specialized boot camps where you learn valuable skills in high-demand fields like welding, the art of transforming molten metal into awe-inspiring structures, or maybe carpentry, where you can turn raw lumber into beautiful furniture or intricate home additions. There's even computer networking, the magic behind connecting devices and making the internet world hum. Here's the beauty of trade schools. They're often shorter than a 4-year degree, meaning you can be job-ready and earning a paycheck much faster. Plus, the cost is typically significantly lower, saving you a mountain of student loan debt. Think of it as that scenic route with breathtaking views that doesn't drain your gas tank. Now, don't get us wrong, a college degree can be an amazing asset. But for some, the trade school route offers a more focused, practical path to a successful career. It's like having the option to choose between a scenic highway with breathtaking vistas or a well-maintained express route that gets you to your destination quickly. Both can lead to amazing experiences, but the choice depends on your personal goals and travel style, or in this case, your career aspirations and financial situation. Then there are apprenticeships. These programs provide on-the-job training and experience under the guidance of seasoned professionals. You learn valuable skills while earning a paycheck, setting yourself up for a successful career without the burden of student loans. Let's not forget about community colleges. Community colleges are treasure troves packed with surprising finds at a fraction of the price. They offer high-quality education at a fraction of the cost of a 4-year university. You can earn associate degrees in a variety of fields, from nursing to business administration. These degrees can act as a springboard, allowing you to transfer to a 4-year institution and complete your bachelor's degree while saving a ton of cash. And community colleges often offer smaller class sizes and more personalized attention. You might even discover a love for a subject you never considered before, like culinary arts or graphic design. Community college isn't for everyone, but it's a fantastic option for those who want a quality education without breaking the bank. It's all about finding the right fit for your wallet and your academic goals. Student loans can feel like a monster under your bed, whispering anxieties about the future. We get it. The weight of debt can feel overwhelming, especially when you're just starting out. But student loans don't have to be a life sentence. They can be a hurdle, sure, but with the right knowledge and a strategic approach, you can absolutely jump over it and build a bright future. Think of it like this: you're on a quest to find the ultimate hidden treasure, financial freedom. There's a map leading to this treasure, but it's filled with cryptic symbols and hidden pathways. That map, my friend, is financial literacy. By understanding loan terms, repayment options, and budgeting strategies, you can decipher the map and navigate the financial landscape with confidence. The first step is gathering intel. Next, explore alternative routes. Now, lastly, let's talk about the real treasure hunt, budgeting. This is where you become a master cartographer, mapping out your income and expenses. Every dollar you earn gets a designated spot on the map, ensuring you have enough resources for essentials like rent and groceries while still chipping away at your loan monster. There are tons of budgeting apps and resources available. Think of them as helpful guides on your quest. Know that there will be moments of frustration and you might even feel lost sometimes. But with perseverance, resourcefulness, and a healthy dose of financial literacy, you'll eventually slay the student loan monster and reach the ultimate treasure, a bright future built on your own terms. So don't let the fear of debt hold you back. You've got this. Don't be a stranger. Leave a comment below and share your student loan experiences or any financial literacy tips that helped you navigate the system. Let's build a community of empowered young adults, ready to conquer the financial world together. Bonus tip: feeling overwhelmed by your student loans? Don't suffer in silence. There are resources available. Check out the Department of Education website for information on income-driven repayment plans and loan forgiveness programs.